Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. It's a nice, cold, crisp day today. And if you look behind, there are two Mercedes. One is an E55, one is an S500. And we've got a cool story to tell, so stay tuned. So guys, as the title said, after years of faking with that one, Akil just went ahead, went down to the auctions. We saw this one, it came up and we've got it. And he's made his dream come true with this 2003 Mercedes E55 AMG. It's got a crazy spec. We're gonna be checking it out. I'm gonna tell you everything that's wrong with it. Akil is here, he's coming down, so let's go over it. Now, visually, looking at the two cars, you can't even tell a difference. If I don't say which is which, you wouldn't even know. Have a look at that one. And if I spin around, have a look at that one. However, this is the real deal, and this is just dressed up to be an E55 AMG. This is in fact an E500, and I'm gonna check it out before we go check out that beast over there. We're gonna be test driving, we're gonna be just having some fun. So have a look inside. This interior is something else. And both cars, even though this is not the AMG model, it's still fully loaded, it's sitting on the Airmatic system. And this one has a lovely cream interior. It looks amazing. Now, over the years, this is a 2002 model, which has got a few cracks and stuff on the leather. But overall, the build quality on these cars has really stood the test of time. It's still a very comfortable and beautiful car to drive in 2021. But have a look at that. Now I'm gonna start it up because I want you to hear this car is an absolute beast before we continue going around. Crazy, 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 crazy. So moving along on the doors, have a look at all of this. This is pretty standard stuff, but the wood grain, everything is still in good nick. Right around the sides, everywhere is looking nice and tight. In the back, it's nice and comfortable, and it's got that lovely armrest in the middle. And Akil's little girl, she always plays it there. You can see she's left some chocolate for you guys to see. But the interior of the car is just in good condition. It's a really, really nice car. The Airmatic system works. The Airmatic system, everything works on it. Front parking sensors, rear parking sensors. Look at that sat nav. That is like an ancient sat nav. However, it's still one of the best. But it's an ancient sat nav. But nevertheless, the car is fully loaded, heated, electrical, front and rear seats. Everything works. But it is not an AMG, and that's what we're getting at. As you can see right there, that's the AMG. So let's go check out that beast. Now, even though it looks like it's got the same alloys, have a look. There's a lot more going on behind these alloys. Those giant vented brake discs, and take a look at those calipers. Completely, they're massive. I think they're 4-pot calipers, but let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments. And there it is. The creme de la creme is a V8 compressor. So a V8 engine with a supercharger strapped on, and that gets the power down, I'm telling you. And you're gonna see it once we get to that part of the video. Both cars has got the AMG quad tips, original AMG quad tips. Akil actually paid, I think he paid like 800 for the other car because he wanted to dress it up and make it sound like it, but it just wasn't the real deal. Now the interior of this one is black, and it's not as clean as the other one. Have a look. We just picked this up from the auctions, so it's got a little rip in the seat right there. It's very dirty. We're gonna have to clean it all up, and the leather has got a lot of cracking. Now, the other one has got a nicer interior, so I don't know if Akil could potentially swap that interior over there and put it into this, but we need to do something with the interior on this car. The dash is white as opposed to that one, because this is the original AMG. So let's start the car up and see how it sounds, and I'm gonna put a comparison video of the two exhausts. Guys, two very different sounds, right? This is the reason why they sound so different. It's all to do with the engines. Let's check them out. So this is the S500 engine, and as you can see, the exhaust on this one is a bit more high pitch, and that's because this engine is not as big as this beast. Check this out. So this is the real AMG engine, hand built by someone called Pascal Petrol. There you go. But have a look at this engine. This is a 5.4, I believe, AMG. It's got a supercharger strapped on it, and you just hear that roar a lot deeper, and it just sounds a lot better, and it puts down a lot more power. This one, nevertheless, it still sounds good, it still looks good, but it doesn't come close to that. Just check out the difference in the two engines. Now, when we got this car was a category in, I believe, and Akil off camera, he went ahead and replaced the wing and the side skirt. That was the only damage that it had. And then we realized that the airmatic system wasn't working, but all it was is one of the relays down there was gone. So once we sorted out the relay for that, then the airmatic system was working. The battery was dead, so we put on a brand new battery. We changed the oil, we did the service, and yeah, now the car's it's running so nice. See, say what you want to say about some of these new cars. Like Mercedes were ahead of the time, man. This is a 2003 model, and this kind of technology is only coming out standard on a lot of the newer cars now. But back in 2003, once you got an E-Class, you used to get all of that technology from way back when, and it's the same thing on that car as well. Guys, speaking of old school versus new school, I'm a new school guy. This guy here, this is Akil's younger brother. Yeah?
Mine look bigger.
This is Akil's younger brother. He's a new school guy like me. This is his M6 competition carbon pack. And who just tuned this?
Wrench.
Wrench.
Yeah, Wrench stuff.
Wrench Automotive just tuned this car. It's just come back from getting a stage 3. It's pushing about 800 brake to the wheels. Crazy. Let's check it out.
Everything is real, no fake, no milk bottle, no fake.
So guys, I've shown you the car, we've got Akil, let's go check over. Akil, tell the people why you like these cars so much.
Look, why I like. You can see why. Because everything is real, man.
Why?
Listen, if you check in this car, everything is Bosch or Siemens. Yeah?
Yeah?
No fucking China, Taiwan, somewhere else. Yeah?
True.
Everything is Bosch, Siemens.
True.
Proper.
Proper car.
Yeah, that's why I like it.
It's
yeah?
a massive engine though.
It's for drivers. It's not for that people when they ask straight away how much you pay insurance. You know what I mean? But, you know.
Do you want to see us rebuilding one of these legendary cars according to Akil? The point of this video is I want to know if you want to see us rebuilding one of these cars. If I get enough yeses or likes or comments down below, we will make it happen. We'll go out and we'll get one and we'll rebuild it on Salvage Nation. So let me know now. That's one of the points of this video. This is Akil's personal car. He went ahead and he did a lot of work behind the scenes. So once again, if you want to see us rebuilding one of these from scratch, E55 AMG, let us know. Akil and I, we were just having a conversation. We saw a nice one in the auctions, and if you guys say yes, we're gonna go get it, and we're gonna get it down on the channel. We're gonna be rebuilding it, and we're gonna make it happen. And your brother's M6, Akil, your brother's M6 is crazy. Like, guys, if you want to see,
It is crazy.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's mad. Wrench,
not
800
comfortable.
brakes. Yeah, it is what it is. If you guys want to see more content on that M6, let us know. It's Akil's little brother's car. We can get that car anytime. We can take it to the track. We can do whatever we want to do with that car. So you let us know what you want to see if you want to see more content on the M6. Guys, like I said, the point of today was to get your feedback, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So this is where we're going to end this episode. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, in the next one is going to be the best one because we got something new landing on the channel. So, we out. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch, or click here to check out this playlist on one of my previous builds. And I'll catch you in the next one. We out.